Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. And today's video is going to be another Nerf Gun review, sadly on this. This is, I have already opened it up, I have already tested it, and I honestly gotta say, why did I still buy this blaster? It works, it performs well, but I'll get into that later on. For people who don't know me very well, I also don't like Fortnite as much. The only reason why I bought this blaster was just for the purpose of this video, to review it. But aside from the blaster, for the video game aspect, I would prefer something different. Fortnite's just not my thing. I'll just put it like that. I'm not one of those fanboys or anti-fanboys who are like, "Oh, Fortnite sucks. It sucks like horrible. Like, the graphics are horrible, or the gameplay's horrible, the building feature." I don't care. I tried it once, I didn't like it, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm also not that type of person who just goes outrageously nuts with, like, paragraphs of how much I hate it. There's just one sentence, it's simple: I don't like it, don't ask me questions about it. But, for this blaster, it made me think of the Nerf Mega Magnus, which is essentially the same thing, minus the barrel attachment and the sight, and there was a Nerf tactical rail on the very bottom of the blaster. So here's the real thing. This is what it looks like, and let's see if my judgment's correct. Well, the suppressor's like massively huge. If I had the other suppressor from like the Spectre, or the Spectre, or whatever, the Nerf, I think it was called the Nerf N-Strike REV-5 Spectre. I'm not entirely sure if that's the correct name, but it had a suppressor, but this is like massively huge compared to the other one. Slides in like any other tactical rail, or any of, wow, I just screwed that up, any other barrel attachment, my bad. It features a internal 3-dart clip, just like the Magnus. You load a dart through here, tip first, like the tip going out that way. Comes with an instruction manual, but I really am at the point I don't need an instruction manual to figure out how to work this thing. It also comes with 6 of these funky looking darts. They are actually elite darts, it looks like, just with a different color scheme, or the Fortnite color scheme, so to speak. And I'll demonstrate how you load this thing. You just put, like I said, tip first, down, in, and then do it 2 more times. And then you're all set. I tried loading a 4th one in off camera. It didn't work. So I think 3's the max. And if I were to just shoot, it actually does look cool on camera, like the way you like hold it like this and try to shoot it. I can already tell this gun's not that powerful compared to the Nerf Magnus. Let's see. So, oh, and there's, just like the Nerf Magnus, there is also a tiny little button here. This is used to, oh crap, my battery's gonna die. This is used to, like, do jamming, unjamming of some sorts, if you have a jam. I don't see how you could have a jam. But then again, this is a relatively small blaster, so, and it's similar to the Nerf Magnus, so it must have that sort of thing. The ammo capacity on this thing, it comes with 6 darts, but you can only use 3 at a time. So 3 in the gun, and 3 in pretty much in your pocket, in your hand, on a bandolier, or whatever. As far as the cosmetics go, the handle is great. It's a great grip for the trigger. It's still loaded it again. The trigger is it's very smooth. It's like unusually smooth the way you pull the trigger. The barrel attachment, like I said, is just overly, in my opinion, overly rated and just massive. I don't see why would I use it. Getting this thing on is also a bit of a pain sometimes. Let's see. There's no tactical rail, as far as I can see. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. And There's like no indicator that tells you like, oh, this gun's fully loaded and ready to be get pulled by the trigger or something. Like other guns do, like retaliators and recons. They would usually, if you pulled this back and then pushed it forward, I just loaded it again. They would give like a little orange indicator on the back. You can't tell on this one. The sight on this is it's just a hollow, open thing. It's like I could stick my finger kind of through it, and that's that. So let's see. Ammo capacity is 3 darts, an internal mag, and then 3 darts you gotta hold it somewhere. Rate of fire is depending on how fast you can pull the slide back and pull the trigger, which is pretty slow. Reload time's pretty easy. I mean, like I said, all you have to do is do drop one. Tip first into the gun, and then do another one like so, and then push it back. It's very simple. Anyone can do it. Let's see. The ranges, like I haven't done range tests, and like I said, the weather's been pretty crappy outside, and I haven't done range tests on some of the newer blasters I have reviewed in the past. And I'm still trying to work on that. I just haven't decided where to shoot and when to do it, due to weather. Let's see. So the firepower is pretty crappy, honestly. So if I did a bounce back, comes right back to my foot, but I can already tell this is probably going to go like a maximum of 40, 45 feet, which maybe 50 if you're lucky. Angled. Let's try angled. Angled. I'm gonna guess maybe an extra 10 feet. This gun. I mean, this gun's pretty decent. I mean, they overdid it on the cosmetics. I don't like the cosmetics. I mean, I like the color scheme, and that's about it. I don't like the suppressor being so massively big. Let's see what else. Specialty, it's a Fortnite blaster in conjunction with Nerf. So, there you go. That's your specialty for this gun. Or, it's a Magnus with with elite dart capabilities, along with a really big ass suppressor. I suppose you could throw other barrel attachments on this too. It doesn't look like it can though. It doesn't have that little bump or indent in the gun. And let's see. I think I've went over all the points that I can actually cover for this video. So, honestly, that's just start. I thought this was like a lock, but then I thought, you know, Nerf doesn't usually do that. They don't have locks for their guns, except for the rival guns, usually. There's no lock on this blaster, like safety lock or anything. So, honestly, I give this. I give this like 7 out of 10, maybe 6. It's decent. I don't really see a point of modifying this because, I mean, what would I need to improve? The air, take out the air restrictor, put in a better spring, maybe make a deeper clip. Oh, that's it. So that is it for this Nerf blaster. This is the Nerf Fortnight. What is this? SP-L. You can get it if you like. It only cost me $20 at Walmart or wherever you buy it from. It's decent. It's not the best in the world, but this is just my personal preference. Oh, right, the accuracy. The accuracy is also kind of crappy. I shot it upstairs in the living room, and I was trying to aim at something, but it seemed to swerve. The darts seemed to swerve towards the left or the right after about 10 or 15 feet. That was the main point I also wanted to get across. So, without further ado, I'm going to be done with this gun. Hope you guys enjoyed the Nerf gun review on the Fortnite Nerf Blaster SP-L. Yeah, SP-L. And hope you guys have a good day, night, life, and everything else. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.